Hello everyone and welcome back to this weekly technical outlook here at xm.com. And this week we're going to have a look at the most important events that are coming up, especially from the US side. That we have the US manufacturing PMI, services PMI, the ADP employment report, and also on Friday we are going to have the PCE price index. All of them are going to show some signs if next week we're going to have an interest rate cut from Fed meeting on December 10th. So I think that these events may have some reaction in the market. Also, we have the OPEC output that leave output unchanged. So starting from gold prices, we can see that the market is finding a strong resistance around the previous peak at 42.50. We had a strong rally above this symmetrical triangle that we had in the short-term view, with the price adding more than 2.5% over the last couple of sessions. So if there is a successful move above this level, then the market, it may retest the all-time high at 43.81, and then it may enter into a charted territory and hitting the psychological mark of 4,500. Alternatively, if there is a drop beneath this short-term uptrend line here and maybe finding support at the 40.45 support, which overlaps with this with the 20-day SMA, then the price, it may fight again with the 4,000 round number before slipping to 39.15 area. Now, having a look at the technical oscillators, the stochastic is still pointing upwards above the 80 level, and also the RSI is ticking higher above the neutral threshold of 50. So both of them are suggesting that we may see some more gains in gold prices. Switching to dollar yen, we can see that we have a strong negative momentum right now in the market. The price, it lost around 0.5%. It dropped beneath this short-term uptrend line. It had started a bearish correction after it peaked at the 10-month high at 157.90 at the mid of November, with the next significant support coming from the 20-day SMA and the 155 psychological mark. Now, if there is a downside movement below this level, then the price, it will also find a strong support at the 50-day SMA and the 152.80 region. Even lower the price, it may move towards the next support levels, and the most important one will be this ascending trend line here near the 149.40, that we may see a rebound here. But we'll have to wait to see if the market will have a closing session below the 155, or if a pullback to the upside will continue the bullish tendency that we have in the short-term view. Now, a move above the 10-month peak, it may drive the market until the 158.86 and the 160.20 area. The technical oscillators are mirroring this latest downside movement in the market. The MACD is holding beneath its trigger line, but is still above the zero area, and the stochastic is diving towards the oversold region. So if there is a cross below the 20 level, it will suggest that the market, it may dip further. And finally, let's have a look at oil prices that are testing this medium-term descending trend line, and we had also a touch of the 6th region earlier in the morning. So if there is a surpass of the 50-day SMA, which is holding at 60.45, then the price, it may retest the previous peaks at 61.40 ahead of the 63.15 and the key level, which is the 200-day SMA at 64.25. Now, a move above this critical region here, then it may switch the outlook to a more neutral one in the medium term, testing the 66.60 resistance level. Alternatively, a drop below the 57.25, then the price, it may test the almost 6-month low at 56.36, even lower the 55.60 and the 4-year low at 55.17. The RSI is holding near the 50 area, is trying to cross above it. The MACD is moving sideways and slightly below the zero region. So both of them are suggesting that we may see some more upside movement in the market. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.